Bonjour everyone and welcome to Paris. I'm so excited to be your guide today as we explore the City of Lights together. Whether you're dreaming of strolling along the Seine, climbing the Eiffel Tower or getting lost in the Louvre, Paris has something magical for everyone. So grab your beret, pack your appetite for adventure and let's get going. Discover the top landmarks you simply can't miss in Paris. Our first stop is none other than the Grande Dame herself, the Eiffel Tower. This iconic structure, standing tall in the heart of Paris, is a marvel of engineering and a symbol of romance. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, it was initially met with skepticism but has since become one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Now you can spot this iconic structure from all over the city, whether you're strolling along the Seine River, wandering through the charming streets of Paris, or relaxing in the Trocadero Gardens. Each vantage point offers a unique perspective of the tower's grandeur, but nothing beats getting up close and personal. Standing at the base of the Eiffel Tower, you can truly appreciate its intricate iron lattice work and the sheer scale of this architectural masterpiece. It's a humbling experience that leaves you in awe. Take the lift, or if you're feeling adventurous, climb the stairs all the way to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of Paris. The journey upwards is an experience in itself, offering glimpses of the city through the tower's structure. Once at the top, the view is nothing short of spectacular. I like to linger up here, especially as the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle below. It's pure magic. The transition from day to night transforms Paris into a glittering wonderland, with the Eiffel Tower standing as its glowing centerpiece. And hey, don't forget to snap a selfie or two with the tower as your backdrop. It's a must-do for any visitor, capturing the joy and excitement of being at such an iconic location. Share your photos with friends and family and let them marvel at your adventure. It's a souvenir you'll treasure forever. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, the Eiffel Tower never loses its charm. Each visit offers new memories and experiences, making it a timeless destination for travelers from around the globe. Next, we're stepping into the hallowed halls of the Louvre Museum, home to some of the world's most celebrated works of art. Now, you could spend days getting lost in this vast museum, but be sure to make a beeline for the Mona Lisa. She's smaller than you might expect, but that enigmatic smile is as captivating as ever. And don't miss the Venus de Milo, the winged victory of Samothrace, and the countless other masterpieces that grace these galleries. Trust me, art lovers, you'll be in heaven. Now, our next stop is a poignant one. Notre Dame Cathedral, this iconic structure located in the heart of Paris, has been a symbol of French Gothic architecture for centuries. Its towering spires and intricate facade have witnessed countless historical events and have been a source of inspiration for many. While the tragic fire in 2019 may have left its mark, the spirit of this Gothic masterpiece still shines through. The fire was a devastating event that shocked the world, but it also brought people together in a remarkable way. The restoration efforts have been a testament to the dedication and love that people have for this historic monument. As you stroll around the exterior, admire the flying buttresses, the intricate carvings, and the gargoyles that seem to watch over the city. Each detail tells a story of craftsmanship and devotion. The flying buttresses, in particular, are a marvel of engineering, providing both support and aesthetic beauty. The sheer scale of this architectural marvel is awe-inspiring. Standing before it, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and reverence. The cathedral's towering structure dominates the skyline, a testament to the ambition and vision of its builders. And while the interior is currently under restoration, you can still feel the weight of history and faith within its walls. The stained glass windows, the grand organ, and the numerous chapels all contribute to the cathedral's sacred atmosphere. Even in its current state, the interior remains a place of reflection and awe. Notre Dame is a powerful reminder of Paris's resilience and the enduring power of human creativity. As the sun sets and the cathedral is bathed in a golden glow, it stands as a beacon of hope and a symbol of the enduring spirit of Paris. The ongoing restoration is not just about rebuilding a structure, but about preserving a piece of history for future generations to admire and cherish. From the heart of Paris, we're heading up to the charming neighborhood of Montmartre, crowned by the magnificent Sacré-Cœur Basilica. This white domed beauty seems to glow against the blue sky, and the views from the top are simply spectacular. Take your time exploring the winding streets of Montmartre with its artists, cafes and charming boutiques. And be sure to catch a street performance or two. It's all part of the Montmartre experience. Get ready to shop till you drop as we stroll down the Champs-Élysées, Paris's most famous avenue. From high-end boutiques to flagship stores, this grand boulevard is a shopper's paradise. But even if you're not in the mood for shopping, a leisurely walk down the Champs-Élysées is a must. And at the end of this iconic street stands the majestic Arc de Triomphe. Climb to the top for panoramic views of the city and a chance to reflect on the triumphs it represents. No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to the Palace of Versailles, the opulent former residence of French royalty. Just a short train ride from the city centre, Versailles will transport you back to the days of Louis XIV, the Sun King. Wander through the palace's lavishly decorated rooms, stroll through the sprawling gardens, and imagine yourself as a courtier during the height of the French monarchy. The Seine River. There's no better way to experience the romance of Paris than with a leisurely cruise along its waters. As you glide past iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre and Notre Dame, you'll see the city from a whole new perspective. Whether you opt for a daytime cruise or a romantic evening tour, a Seine River cruise is an unforgettable experience. Chapter 8, Musée d'Orsay, Impressionist Paradise, calling all art lovers. The Musée d'Orsay, housed in a beautifully preserved former railway station, is a must-visit for fans of Impressionism and Post-Impressionism. Feast your eyes on masterpieces by Monet, Renoir, Degas, Van Gogh, and more. The museum's collection is a feast for the senses, and the building itself is a work of art. Chapter 9. Luxembourg Gardens, Parisian Oasis. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city with a visit to the tranquil Luxembourg Gardens. This green oasis in the heart of Paris is the perfect place to relax, people watch, or simply soak up the Parisian ambiance. Admire the manicured lawns, the colorful flower beds, and the elegant fountains. And don't forget to say hello to the children sailing toy boats in the pond. It's a Parisian tradition. Chapter 10. Le Marais District, Historic Charm. Our final stop takes us to Le Marais, one of Paris's most charming and historic neighborhoods. Get lost in the maze of narrow streets lined with medieval buildings, trendy boutiques and cozy cafes. Pop into a boulangerie for a fresh baguette, browse the vintage shops for unique finds, and soak up the bohemian atmosphere of this vibrant district. Le Marais is a true Parisian gem. Well, there you have it. 10 must-see landmarks that will make your trip to Paris unforgettable. From the moment you set foot in this enchanting city, you'll be swept away by its timeless beauty and vibrant culture. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Paris always has something new to offer. From the iconic Eiffel Tower, standing tall and proud as the symbol of France, offering breathtaking views of the city from its various levels, to the charming streets of Le Marais, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Wander through its narrow cobblestone streets, explore its hidden courtyards, and discover its trendy boutiques and cafes. Paris has something to captivate every traveler. From world-renowned museums like the Louvre and Musée d'Orsay, to the vibrant street art in Belleville, the city is a treasure trove of art and culture. Don't forget to take a leisurely stroll along the Seine River, where you can enjoy picturesque views and perhaps even a romantic boat ride. So start planning your adventure today. Research the best times to visit, make a list of your must-see attractions, and don't forget to pack comfortable shoes for all the walking you'll be doing. Paris is a city best explored on foot, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in its unique atmosphere and get ready to fall in love with the City of Lights. As the sun sets, Paris transforms into a magical wonderland, with its illuminated landmarks casting a romantic glow over the city. Whether you're enjoying a candlelit dinner at a cozy bistro or taking a nighttime cruise along the Seine, the city's charm is undeniable. Au revoir for now and bon voyage. Planning your Paris adventure? Check out our exclusive travel guide. It includes must-visit locations, geotags for easy navigation, detailed itineraries, and insider tips to help you make the most of your trip. Whether you're interested in history, art, food, or shopping, our guide has got you covered. And curated recommendations for hotels, ranging from luxurious 5-star accommodations to charming boutique hotels and cozy bed and breakfasts. No matter your budget or preference, you'll find the perfect place to stay. Cafes and restaurants. Paris is a food lover's paradise, offering everything from Michelin-starred dining to quaint neighborhood bistros. Be sure to try some classic French dishes like escargot, coq au vin, and of course a freshly baked croissant. Whether you're looking for luxury or budget-friendly options, Paris has something for everyone. Love our video? Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share your favorite Paris landmark in the comments. We can't wait to hear about your experiences and see your photos. Until next time, happy travels.